Hey there guys, welcome to another video. So this is just a quick video. I got another Echo Show 5 for Christmas, as well as the Echo Show 5 adjustable stand. And I know that this cost about 20 bucks on Amazon, so I just wanted to do an unboxing and show you how it is and see if it's worth 20 bucks. So we have my brand new Echo Show 5 here. Just taken out of the packaging, haven't set it up or anything, and I believe it is a magnetic stand. We have our wall wart here. So I'll go ahead and unbox this for you here. So it got the same blue packaging. It does have the easy open packaging here. So let's see what we get. All right. So it looks like it also has a rubber bottom to it. And let's see what else we get in here. Okay, so we just get a quick guide here. So adjustable stand, one, that's it. So you basically just attach it. It's magnetic, and you can swivel it back and forth. So with it just as it is, this is basically how it would look if you were to put it on your nightstand, which I'm going to be doing. So it'll look just like that. And we'll go ahead and put the stand on it, and we'll see how that looks. It has a similar footprint to the actual device, so it's not like you're saving much space with this. This is more so just to be able to move it, swivel it around. So just take out the packaging here, and as you can see, there's the magnetic portion that goes in the bottom here. You have this rubberized coating on the bottom with the Amazon smile. Not much else on there. And we should be able to just pop it on here. So you see this little piece here at the bottom of this. And let's see how hard this is to do. I'm trying to do this one-handed, so I apologize. Okay, should just go like that. Okay, cool. So there we go. So this is it with the stand on. And then it looks like this with the stand on, and you can move it. Oh, it has a pretty good range of motion there. So there you go. That's just a quick unboxing and look at this thing here. So I'm pretty sure they're gonna have aftermarket stands that you can use, but it is cool that it's magnetic, so it's easy to take on and off if you wanted to do that. And yeah, anyway, so just a quick unboxing and a quick look at the Echo Show 5 stand. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.